So guys, this is the second episode of this third season, What is the Truth? And we are going forward basically in understanding what is yoga. Yoga is, if you actually go for the meaning, it's actually the sum. It's actually the addition. It's actually this actually what is they call it, like enlightenment only, in a way, because it's the same thing. So the yoga is basically, this is the perfect word to describe it overall, or in terms of the science, so that it can be taught. So, and then they divide into like various forms of yoga. Is like the karma yoga, which is the yoga which is done through action, right? Which Sri Krishna taught, or which he emphasized actually. Then there are like different forms of yoga which like focused more specifically on body systems and your perception. So overall, this is like that's basically the word I'm using. Don't go for like, yeah, you have to follow the basically hierarchy. This is the yes, this is how we are talking. We are not talking in any particular like Hindi literature we are referencing, right? Because we have to view everything on a holistic way now. It was written at that time. It is like different now, right? Okay, so where did we? The first lesson what we learned. So what we do is we start focusing. Now this focus can be, I can tell you, like it has infinite ways. How? Because it can be anything. It can be, that's why I told you like karma yoga, right? So it can be my focus on a particular activity. What do you mean by activity? By activity I mean it's like if I just peel the onions, it's like that motion, right? And I'm getting it like so focused on like where my knife is going, or where the walking, right? So you're so focused on where your foot landing and how your formation of your like feet is. Most of us are not even aware of our walking, so unconscious. So you focused, if you do it by using the focus, so that is itself like again the same, okay? Or it can be some kind of like mantra, and then you repeat it because then you realize where your focus is broken, right? So it can be any activity which is done in a continuous manner. So that's why any path, if you continuously walk on it, any path, if you continuously walk on it, that is it, okay? What stops you from walking the path? So basically, a nice person keep wanting to be nice, but some people don't let them to be nice. So it can also be like that. You understand? It can be as abstract as that. So now I have given you so many different ways like what this can be, okay? And I am giving you a parallel, architecture. Basically, in all in Hindu books, it is kind of like shown as like this. So it's like, okay, this is one, then they are like, okay, subsets, then they are like subsets like this. So it's basically like a hierarchical manner, right? But what I am doing is I am putting everything in parallel. So this is the parallel way of looking at things, right? You treat everything starts from the like the 0 and then go to 1, okay? So the second, so I already kind of explained to you in the previous episode that this is done so that you can observe this. What is this? These are the things which are obstructing this activity, which are obstructing this movement, or which are obstructing this thought, okay? So your thought of keep sitting in meditation, what obstructs it? So it first you have to go inside, so then it will be your thoughts, right? Your thoughts are either like saying you, poking you, like, oh, get up, get up, get up, get up, or you're like, so boring, this is so boring, why are you doing this? So many things it will tell you. But it can be outside also. Let's say you are sitting in meditation and then someone comes shouting and says like, you cannot do it. I mean, so that is by physical force also it can happen that you are not allowed to meditate. So this, it can be both external and internal. So it's the same model which can be applied both internally as well as externally. Okay. So if somebody is like low in confidence, they want self-realization, this is the method. If someone is more arrogant and they need a lesson in humility, so this is also the method. Okay. Go forward. So all of this is done to observe this. What is this? This is your actual thoughts. So basically this is your man. Man is, what do you mean by man? Man is like, okay, this thought, see how it is jumping. Or do you see any relation between these two? One time I'm thinking about eating like sweets. Next time I'm thinking about, oh, that river was nice. One time I'm thinking about this. One time I'm thinking about this. Like this only, right? Very disjointed. So this is your man. This is your what you say, thoughts, thought pattern. How your thoughts are coming. So you have to first practice this enough so that you can easily see this. It's like, okay, I can just sit. So the most prominent thought in my mind is like, do the video, do the video, do the video, do the video. Because mind is telling ki, okay, that has to be done. And then some is like, okay, this is the river, there's some like forest voice, like this is sound from behind and wind. So all of that, and some of it is like perceptual based and some of it is like thought based. Okay, like perceptual based is like I could hear the water, right? If I'm sitting in a let's say room where there is no water sound, there is no wind and everything, so then only thoughts will come to obstruct most of the time, because there is nothing in nature to as such distract you. So you are inwardly you are looking, right? Okay, so you have to practice this good enough. This can be your yoga asana, this can be your anything. You stay near that yoga asana and let's see what stops you from being in that. Because asana means that you sit in that basically. You understand? What is stopping you? It means there is some problem in that joint, so you fix it. So it's the same approach. So you are realizing these, like what are the problem, what are the sensations. You are realizing the sensations or realizing the basically thoughts of your body through by focusing on one particular way. So if you do this, we will reach to the second stage. So where we will treat this not as a like this, we will treat it like separate. So all of you must have one thing you are focusing on, and this will be the thought chain. Okay. So let me write it. Okay, so this is like this. This is the focus, and this is your what do you say, thoughts or obstruction basically. Anything that is. So instead of looking at like this in center way, ki this is the center, everything is coming towards this, we are looking at it in the side way. Just like two things, okay? This is the thought, the focus. Basically, this is the item of your focus, and through which you are seeing. So this is what you are actually looking at, okay? So till this, I think it's clear what we are doing here, and this is the second episode is about what we are actually doing. Because this is kind of immaterial, we need to come here first. Okay? Bye bye.